Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how do I log out of IMO on other devices. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to log out of IMO on your device, what you need to do first is select the device from which you want to log out your IMO. Simply head over and open up your IMO application. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and once you're inside here, what you need to do now is select settings. Now once you're inside your settings, what you need to do is select manage devices, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is you'll see a list of devices where your IMO is logged in, and that will leave you with the option to delete your account. Simply tap on delete and then tap on delete once again, and you'll be asked, are you sure you want to log out of this device? Simply tap on OK, and the selected account will be logged out from the selected device. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. If this video was useful to you, like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.